Clickbaiting. What is it and what you can do to stop it? This video will tell you more. Welcome to the show. My name is Domingo, and today we're going to be talking about clickbaiting. Now, what is clickbaiting, you may ask? Well, it is the intent of making a thumbnail that has different content on the thumbnail, and then when a user clicks on the thumbnail, the content that they find is not what they clicked on. That in turn means clickbait. Now, a lot of people have been using clickbaiting strategies to get more views, and most of the time they get a lot of dislikes on their videos, as you can see from these pictures. Now, clickbaiting is not to be trusted. You should not do it. You should not use it to gain views and subscribers. This is not a good practice. Clickbaiting only serves a temporary purpose. Don't do it. Don't mislead your viewers. That's just the wrong thing to do. And it's so frowned upon. Why would you want to mislead viewers in content that you made that has nothing to do with the thumbnail? Like, for example, if you use a very attractive woman in your thumbnails, and then when they click on it looking for that attractive woman, it's not in there. And then they get gypped. Then they dislike your video. Then they leave you a nasty comment. And then they tell all their friends that don't go to this video. This is clickbait. That's what it means. Clickbaiting is wrong. Don't do it. Here are the ways that you can prevent yourself from clickbaiting. Number one, make good content. That's all I can say. If you feel that your content is not good, then find ways to make it better. For example, your lighting, your sound, your clothes, your appearance, your presence on camera. Those are things that you can work on. Those are things that you can improve with your content. And yes, it will be hard because some of you may not have fancy equipment, but you don't need fancy equipment. You just need the drive and the initiative to keep going and making your content the best that it can be. And number two, make thumbnails that add up to your content. Use text. Use a picture that has something to do with the content. For example, how to use Handbrake is one of my most popular videos on YouTube. What I did was I entered text, I entered the picture of the program, and that's how the views are coming in. That is what allows your content to be seen. And yes, you will get dislikes, you will get likes, but all in all, you'll get the attention of new viewers wanting to subscribe and watch your content. That is how you get subscribers. That is how you build relationships with viewers and also retain rapport with your subscribers. If you don't do those, then you're missing out. And you probably are asking yourself, why am I not getting views? Why am I not getting all these subscribers? It's because of the practices that you put in place. If you are serious about allowing your YouTube to grow into something more than just a hobby, then you must make the steps necessary to improve your content. I cannot stress this enough. And the reason that I say it like this is because I have done the steps that have been wrong. And I don't want all of you to follow examples of past YouTubers that have made changes to their content time and time again. Don't do that. If you want to sustain a channel, don't give up and don't clickbait. And if you're discouraged about making content and wondering what to use to make content, look around, ask for help. That's what I did. I asked for help with a lot of YouTubers on how to make my content better. And that's all you need to do. That's what you need to do in order to thrive on YouTube. Because yes, YouTube is challenging. It's going to be the most challenging of this year because of the metrics, because of the changes, because of all that jazz. But I know that you as a content creator have drive, have initiative, have the presence of mind to know that when you are in the process of building a channel, it's going to take a while. It's going to take months. It's going to take years for some people. And you have to realize that that's the reality of making YouTube videos. You won't get money right away. You won't get a contract deal right away. You won't. Unless you work hard enough and do collaborations and not clickbait people. And that is how you survive on YouTube. Make sure that what they click on the thumbnail is what they're going to see in the video. Do it right away so that they won't stop watching. And that is the tips that I can give you on clickbaiting. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. And if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to click the bell on the right side of the screen so that you can always get updated with my new content. And share this video with your friends if you find clickbaiting so stupid. Thank you so much again. Have a great day. And remember, domination is near. We'll see you next time for another upload. Cheers.